Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're learning how to rent or hire a car. This is an essential skill for travel, and getting the language right ensures you avoid nasty surprises. In the UK, we say hire a car or rent a car. Both are correct. In American English, rent a car is standard. When you arrive at the rental desk, the agent will ask for your reservation number, your driving license, and usually a credit card. They'll then confirm the details. I can see you've booked a compact car for 3 days. Is that correct? Car classes are important. Compact or economy cars are smaller and cheaper to run. Saloons are standard family cars. SUVs are larger and higher off the ground. And automatic or manual refers to the gearbox. In the UK, manual is more common, but automatics are widely available. Insurance is the most important thing to clarify. Basic rental insurance usually has an excess, the amount you pay yourself if the car is damaged. Excess can be several £100s. Fully comprehensive cover, sometimes called Super CDW or excess waiver, removes or reduces the excess. You might ask, what's the excess on this insurance? Or, can I reduce the excess with an upgrade? Before you drive away, inspect the car carefully. Walk around it and note any existing scratches, dents, or damage. Photograph everything with your phone before signing anything. You might say, I'd like to note this scratch on the front bumper before we sign the paperwork. Pre-existing damage already there before your rental, should be documented so you're not charged for it on return. Fuel policy also varies. Some rentals require you to return the car with a full tank, which is standard. Others have a pre-purchase fuel policy, which is usually less favorable. Today we covered booking, insurance, inspecting the car, and the fuel policy. Renting a car is easy when you know what to ask. See you next time.